Arthritis is tough when you're missing out on these great tips. When it comes to arthritis, it seems that nobody is safe. Men and women of all ages and fitness levels are potential targets of this painful and degenerative disease. These tips and tricks offer some basic insight into the different options that are available for anyone who is struggling to cope with the symptoms of this condition. Discuss your arthritis with the younger members of your family. Small children may be concerned that you are injured if you are using wrist splints or walking aids. Discuss the condition with them at their level, so they can understand without fear and perhaps even assist you during a flare-up. Because arthritis can affect the way that you cook, it is important that you buy the proper cookware and utensils. If you pick any old utensil, you may find that you cannot use it. It is recommended that people with arthritis get lightweight cooking utensils that have easy grips. For arthritis sufferers, you may want to consider yucca as a natural treatment. It is a proven medical fact that the extract from yucca helps to ease the pain of arthritis. You can buy yucca at most grocery stores, or get the extract from stores that sell vitamins and supplements. Eat plenty of omega-3 fatty acids to help combat inflammation. Recent studies have shown that omega-3 fatty acids can help to reduce inflammation for arthritis sufferers. Food sources that are high in omega-3s include fish, walnuts, and flaxseed. Better yet, try adding cod liver oil to your diet. Not only is it rich in omega-3s, but it also has been shown to help significantly reduce arthritis pain. Today, there are a variety of treatments and options offered for all types of arthritis and all types of patients. If you or someone you know is affected by the disease, remember the advice from this video, as you seek ways to minimize the pain and the limitations that accompany a diagnosis of arthritis. Would you like to discover the arthritis breakthrough your doctor won't tell you about? Visit secretarthritishack.com to learn more. Uncover one cheap ingredient, found in every supermarket, proved to improve arthritis 48%. Visit secretarthritishack.com to learn all of this and more. Link in the description.